I got a message from Coco senpai. There might be a collaboration next month. I mean, I know we talked about collabs and stuff before, but we may collab. We got permission. So, yatta! Same with VShojo. For I got permission to collab with 2 certain girls. Even though before I thought it was impossible, it seemed impossible, but it's happening. I know a bunch of you guys are kind of gatekeeping and don't like it and don't want it to happen, but first of all, it will not be all the time. This will for now be a one-time only thing. If you don't like it, then just don't watch it, please. Just let me do my thing, please. It might be a 3-member collaboration, like me and two VShojo people. You could probably guess who. Well, you know, I like Bebe a lot. She's I feel like we talked a lot yesterday or the day before yesterday. We talked quite a lot. Finally, before it was just kind of superficial. We didn't really have any other way to communicate besides Twitter DMs, but now we got each other's Discord, and I told her I love her. And then she said, she's so sweet. She said I'm an inspiration for her, and I was like, what? I love you. Very tete, very tete. I hope we can all just, be open and supportive. As I said, you don't have to like it. You don't have to come to see it. But there's a lot of people who are waiting for this, and I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's good to make friendships and widen your horizons.